Is the HDFC Life Click to Retire plan the ultimate solution for a worry-free retirement, or should you explore other options in the market before committing to this policy? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So this is a unit-linked, non-participating individual pension savings plan. Some of the key features of the policy are: you can start investing in this plan as early as age 18. This plan offers a low vesting maturity age starting from 45 years, and you have the flexibility to choose between limited pay and single pay options with a single product. In case of the policyholder's death, the nominee receives the higher of the fund value or 105% of the total premiums paid till date, and you can enjoy the dual benefit of a guaranteed vesting amount along with the potential upside from market linked growth. And only fund management charge and investment guarantee charge applies. There are no premium allocation charge, no policy administration charges, and no exit charges applied in this policy. And there are two kinds of benefits in this policy. So first is the vesting benefit. So this policy vests at the end of the policy term, and the maturity, which is the vesting benefit, will be higher of either fund value or assured vesting benefit at the time the policy matures. And it also has death benefit, which in case the policyholder dies before the policy terms ends, unfortunately, then the nominee will receive either the fund value or the 105% of the total premiums paid till death. So the nominee has an option to take this amount as an annuity or to withdraw the proceeds. So these are some benefits from this policy, and there are three kinds of fund options presented in this policy, as you can see presented on the tabular column, which are pension equity plus fund, pension income fund, pension conservative fund. In this tabular column, we have categorized these options according to how much percentage of allocation they have been given to each asset class, like money market instruments, cash and deposits, and government securities, fixed income instruments, and bonds, and then equity. And also according to the risk profile each fund option has, which can range from very high to moderate. The fund options has been categorized in this tabular column. And there are also various charges present in this policy, like fund management charge, investment guarantee charge, statutory charges, miscellaneous charges, and all these charges act as overhead costs for the investor and can gradually eat into your returns over the long term period. So this is a drawback that you need to carefully consider before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, if you take a look at the advantages, you have the flexibility to defer your vesting benefit beyond the original vesting date, and this plan offers a settlement option for the death benefit, allowing the nominee to receive the payout in installments instead of a lump sum. And some of the disadvantages are: this plan does not offer any loan facility, the fund selection is limited, providing fewer investment choices, and there is no lump sum maturity benefit. Instead, benefits are provided as vesting proceeds at the end of the policy term, and it is mandatory to use the vesting amount to purchase an annuity plan, limiting flexibility in how the corpus can be utilized. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video. So, HDFC Life Click to Retire plan allows you to build a retirement corpus through regular investments linked to market performance. However, the plan does not provide guaranteed periodic payouts during the post-retirement phase, meaning the income stream after retirement is not built into the plan itself. So to better understand this, let us go through an example. So for calculation purpose, let us assume a 35-year-old male invests 1 lakh annually into this policy, and he chooses a premium payment term of 10 years and a policy term of 20 years with a vesting age of 55. The death benefit in this case is 10.50 lakhs, and he pays premiums for the first 10 years, and the benefits vest at the age of 55. It is important to note that the vesting benefit, unlike a typical maturity benefit, cannot be withdrawn as a lump sum at the end of the policy term. So at an assumed return of 4% per annum, which we can consider as a worst case scenario, the vesting benefit is just 13.10 lakhs, yielding an IRR of just 1.75%. This is not even comparable to the rate of interest of a savings bank account interest. So it provides no value addition to your investment. So at an assumed return of 8% per annum, which you can consider as the best case scenario, the corpus grows to 23.79 lakhs with an IRR of 5.67% as per the policy's maturity calculator. This is also very low, even comparable to a debt instrument like bank FD. So while the product brochure includes annuity illustrations showing an annual income of 97,416 at 4% returns and 1,77,102 rupees at 8% returns, these are merely indicative returns. The actual annuity will depend on two uncertain factors at the time of vesting. First, your final corpus accumulated. Next is your prevailing annuity rates. So since both are non-guaranteed, the actual retirement income may differ significantly from the example. Moreover, this policy imposes restrictions on how the corpus can be used. Investors are not allowed to deploy the accumulated amount towards personal goals or alternative investment avenues. Instead, they are obligated to use the proceeds to buy an annuity plan, and only up to 60% of the vesting benefit can be commuted, that means withdrawn as a lump sum, while the remaining must go towards annuity purchase. So this lack of post-retirement flexibility and the mandatory annuitization requirement makes this policy less attractive as a retirement investment option. As the final payouts under this policy are not available for your discretionary use, let's consider an alternative strategy that offers better control, liquidity and flexibility, allowing you to make the most out of your retirement savings. So using the same investment amount in the HDFC policy, we can actually build a more efficient retirement plan while also addressing life insurance needs separately. So let's revisit the earlier example. Instead of investing 1 lakh annually in this policy, you can actually purchase a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 10.50 lakhs. This would cost approximately 9,500 rupees annually for a 20-year policy term with a 10-year premium payment term. So this leaves us with 90,500 rupees per year to invest based on our risk appetite. So if you want to take a conservative approach in your investment, then you can opt for Public Provident Fund PPF, which is a government backed scheme. So if you invest the remaining 90,500 rupees annually in a PPF account with minimal contributions of 500 rupees in the final years to meet the lock-in rules, you can actually accumulate 26.70 lakhs over 20 years. This translates to an internal rate of return of 6.44%. More importantly, this entire corpus is tax-free and fully accessible, offering complete liquidity for you. And if you want to go through an aggressive approach, then you can opt for investing in equity linked savings scheme ELSS, because if you're comfortable with market risk, then investing the 90,500 rupees annually in ELSS funds could yield a corpus of 55.24 lakhs after 20 years. So after accounting for capital gains tax, the post-tax corpus comes to 49.62 lakhs, delivering a solid post-tax IRR of 10.59%. This alternative strategy allows you to deploy your retirement corpus across various investment options that suit your evolving needs and risk profile. You maintain full control over your money, unlike the Click to Retire plan, where you are compelled to purchase an annuity with limited access to your funds. So in short, flexibility is the cornerstone of effective retirement planning, which is missing in the HDFC policy. So what is the final verdict? Should we invest in this policy? Is investing in the HDFC Life Click to Retire plan really worth it? So this policy offers market-linked investment options to help you build a retirement corpus. However, the limited choice of funds and the lack of access to the full corpus at maturity reduces its overall appeal. The mandatory purchase of an annuity further restricts your flexibility, locking you into a predefined structure for post-retirement income, and it also has a high agent commission. As a result, you don't get to fully benefit from the returns generated during the investment phase. Additionally, the plan offers limited transparency regarding how the annuity functions, creating uncertainty about whether the income will be sufficient to meet rising post-retirement expenses. So these limitations makes the HDFC policy a less compelling option for retirement planning. A more effective approach is to channel your savings into flexible investment vehicles that allow full access to the accumulated corpus and align with your evolving financial goals. To build a robust retirement corpus and gain yearly financial freedom, it is essential to have a well-structured investment strategy for your retirement.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.